Alright guys, so I just reground and fit all this here, you guys can see. So now everything turns free. We were having a little bit of contact patch there, so I just hooked the old one up just to see how much angle it's gonna let me get. You guys can see what we clearanced in the back. So it'll actually be sitting, you know what I mean? It'll be up here like this basically. But it's still only gonna, that seems like it's max right there. So basically we'll put the tire on right now, probably the caliper, and see what we got, you know what I mean? So it sits fairly straight, the rack, once it's actually up in the air.
Do you want to go walk until that keeps working?
Alright, get him going.
Oh, birthday Mike!
Birthday Mike! It's Mike's birthday! Mike! Happy birthday! Ain't no way.
Meatball Mike!
Yeah, show me what you got there, dude. It's just the bottom, eh?
No, it's not on drill. There you go.
Hold on there, Mike. There she is. Oh, there she is, Mike.
God damn.
4 holes, cut them out, weld them in.
Well, I've had to do the same thing with this drill, but like a 4-inch hole.
Yeah.
Work.
So Chad just got his retractors. Got that spare nut out. So that's off. We'll take these off, jack this back up. Get it in the air for Robert again, because I just put it back on the floor. I'm just enjoying my coffee. I usually drink Timmy's, just so you guys know if you show up. But McDonald's is cheap right now.
I'm gonna try to snap that off.
I was just telling them we drink Timmy's, but McDonald's is cheap right now.
Yeah, dollar coffee.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong there.
No, you get 2 for 1.
You can afford like 5 days.
Yeah,
Oh, you hurt me back. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh no, this one's tighter.
Oh, no, she's moving. Oh, no, that's not good. It's moving off the stand.
Bro! Look out, Novers. Car's sliding off the stand, boys.
Okay, here, I got it.
Someone come hold forward on this.
Yeah, Rob, hold the front of that for us, bud. Okay.
Oh, no.
Mike, grab that for a sec, brother.
What am I grabbing?
Just hold the car, because it's going backwards.
Yeah.
Just try to pull.
It's going this way?
It's going that way.
Yeah, it's
So you
just
hold
trying to
out.
run on the frame rails.
Oh, yeah.
There she is.
So, if you want to steal someone's rims, just get one of these kits and really work at it.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, you take a long time.
It takes a long time, but you might get her.
Let's see.
There you go,
Yeah,
sir.
pretty cool.
That works good, though.
So we just lost the key. Chad's had it in here
I
for
didn't
a
lose
while.
the key. They took it with them when they stripped the bitch.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. I wish I lost it.
Yeah.
It was taken with all my other shit.
So now, yeah, like I said, we'll get it jacked up in the air. Just take off those other 21s that's on there,
And roll the fenders.
yeah, I'll show you guys how to roll the fenders.
Show them the roller?
Yeah, I showed them in the last vid, but we're literally gonna jack it up right now, and you guys will see it here in a couple minutes. So we'll be right back. Go home, tell the wife you worked hard today. You did, eh? Well, on his birthday.
I've never worked on his birthday.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's gonna look good.
So that's gonna be the mounts for all our gauges. Putting that up on the dash.
Yeah.
It's my $300 fucking gauge mount.
Yeah. Chad, come sing these off, bro.
What am I singing?
Right here. Let's see what this hasn't been off in a while. I've tried
Close
it.
enough?
Yeah.
All right.
It's the closest one.
Young Chad put these on though.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Grab a different one. Oh yeah. Mer. I got you.
You soaked me, bro.
I got you.
Oh, no.
Copyright on him.
Poured it right on
video?
Me, bro. On video.
There's only a little bit left anyway.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Well,
Only a
now
little
for
bit all
sure.
over me. He got me good. He got me good.
I love you. Oh, faithful, man. Look at that thing. Put that right on my Transmero, bud.
These would look nuts on your car.
I was telling them
Imagine
earlier, I
those
said
on
I'd
your
like to try them, but I said they belong on this old girl.
No, we gotta bolt them on the Mero one day and just go roast them right off.
Look at this, yeah. This
Like
is,
they're beat up. Look, I got these
man, we can make those look brand new like the front ones. Hey,
cheap. Same with the back, eh?
yeah,
Toyota's weird ass sealer, eh? What's with that?
yeah, front and
They're
back.
all like that.
This,
Plastic sway bar link.
yeah, that's cool.
That's plastic.
Eh? Fuck, she's solid though, eh? Look at her.
Look at her.
Meat.
Dude, it's such good shape.
Yeah.
Okay, well, wait a minute now.
didn't see that.
I'm looking at the poster, so.
All right, man. Let's see what we got here. So Mike just took his hole saw.
So we got the plate drilled out.
Yep, measured everything out, got it drilled.
So it's just a rough cut now. Now I'm gonna take die grinder and do a little bit of die grinding to make it fit.
Make it fit the way you want.
Make it fit
I
inside.
like how you did that, so you know what I mean? It'll sit down.
Yeah, let's build up with the welder and let's screwing around.
It's gonna look really good.
I was just originally just gonna put the 2 hole cuts here and cut out the center with the zip cut, and I'm thinking, well, I could just hole cut the middle too. So
Yeah. No, I think
actually
that looks
a little bit better.
that looks really good. So make sure you guys keep up on this. He's gonna pick away at that, get that fitted, and we showed you the other piece yesterday, the top piece. Could show them the quick cut too that you did here, or what you're gonna do for a cut. Yeah.
I'll do that once it's half welded already on the intake.
So that'll be the back side. Come down.
Slope.
It's gonna look really sick, dude. You're doing a good job. So, cool. And then on this side here, got the one wheel off, getting ready to pull the other one off. You can see, gonna weld here and then roll this over.
You show them you want to show them my
You
innards?
show them, yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of patchwork. Angle finder.
Oh yeah, this
match
is
both sides. Match that. Then you go over. Just to make sure the body works bang on perfect.
Let's get it up here. Let's get it up here, and then it's just the inside edge by the tail.
Little
Like
bit,
we gotta
little
start
bit.
bringing it in, right?
Yeah, cool.
So
It's gonna look so good. I can't wait.
That's what happens when school bus gives her a little love tap.
So yeah, and then this thing was what, the 88? So it's all original Florida car. You can see it's just like, I mean, it was a burnout car too, you can see everywhere. But we just gotta do a little patch on the inside here. So nothing crazy, probably a 6x6 patch. And then reseal this all up, get it all new.
still really good shape. I
Oh,
thought it
yeah.
was way worse.
No,
It
that's-
let me rot right out.
That's really good for, you know what I mean? How many years is that?
33 years.
Yeah, that's a,
33-year-old guy.
that's,
88 is 33. Yeah, I'm 87. I'm turning 32 in August.
there you go. So 33 years to have minimal rust like that.
Girls, oh fuck.
Yeah, there's no there's no rust anywhere. Rockers are all original, spot weld. You can see everything. So car's beautiful.
Man, it's in such good shape. We're gonna
Yeah.
clean all this up, too.
Oh yeah, it's all.
Oh, show me shock.
Get that all.
Check this
painted.
out. I came onto her too hard one day, I'd say.
Yeah. So we got some movement in her. So
Yeah.
we'll get some new rigging going on for her this year. It's the top come right apart, I think,
Yeah,
Chad.
it did, bro. I
Yeah,
know.
yeah, it did. Yeah, it's missing the spring. So
Yeah. Look at her fix, bud.
Yeah, wait.
That's why she was leaning so hard.
yeah, but so yeah, we'll see what Mike's doing here. He's just marking up some more stuff.
I need a compressor hooked up now.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. We'll get the compressor going for him and we'll go from there. So.
Just
Speed up production.
Just mega stomping it right into the fucking snowbank. Yes, sir.
Little hacky, but it works.
Gonna be mint, bud.
What's up, guys? So, if you look here, got this all cleaned up. We gotta bring it right down to the main surface because the bumper's so chipped and whatnot, right? Same one down here. So, just gonna take my time, work away at it, give it all these cracks. But it's coming out good, it's smooth, nice and smooth. You can see like these little black things. I gotta bring them down, so I'll bring it right to this. Alright guys, so we're just getting ready to head home right now. Go get something to eat. But Mike got the intake like really started up. Still needs to port it and finish it and weld underneath and make his pipe and whatnot, but
Still, look at that.
it's coming along. Yeah, he did a really good job. Gonna cut this off, have the end cap, so it'll look really fresh. And then Chad's getting ideas. Well, we already knew how high we wanted it, but
Like,
yeah.
trying to figure out.
But so yeah,
I say
Mike's
bam.
got to make a manifold too for it. So we'll just get the engine hoist and probably hang the turbo and get the flange where we need it and all that good stuff. So
Somewhere stupid high like that.
whirly boy. So a little sneak peek too. Paint's fully cured. So once we get the angle kit done here, we can paint this and get it back up. And then Chad can just show you guys how he's gonna finish his outer piece. So everything's rolling, everything fits. But yeah, make sure you guys check back in tomorrow, eh?
Yeah, oh, this too, you show you cut it?
Yeah, so we got this cut out too. I started sanding it more. The bumper was seen better days, but
Yeah, she's a little beat up.
she'll look brand new once we're done there.
Yeah, just get a couple
Yeah.
holes and stuff.
Somebody had played with it before, but
Somebody touched something.
yeah.
We got a pro here.
But yeah, we're gonna clean this up here.
Probably
Yeah,
trim this more.
Show them the intercooler. Where's the intercooler? We'll put it behind just so you guys kind of see. And then it does sit behind the bumper quite a bit, but we might still come up here. Let us know what you guys think. And then we're gonna fix the lip too, obviously. But no way, you got a custom Supra intercooler, bro?
Right? Supra.
Cool.
It's a Supra edition.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good.
Right?
So
But then we'll probably hack this a bit more, just on the bottom.
yeah, I was,
In the
I
air
was
will-
kinda
Just feed it.
just before it was only getting on the lower half. You know what I mean?
Hitting here, and she was
Yeah.
working.
She was working.
You gonna work?
Yeah. So, all right, guys. Just want to give Mike a shout out for all the help that he does here, and yeah, happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, bud.